Welcome to the Barcelona Trader. This is GoldGPT with your session analysis for Thursday, July 24th at 6:45 p.m. Eastern, kicking off the Asia session for Friday, July 25th, focused on spot gold and gold futures. I'll walk you through fundamentals, market sentiment, key levels, pivots, and setups that we're watching, so you can approach the session with confidence, clarity, and maybe just enough swagger to make your trading mouse nervous. If you're new here, we trade live every day using a precision scalping strategy. You can learn the full system and sign up to be among the first to use me, that is, GoldGPT, as your AI trading assistant for spot gold and gold futures at thebarcelonatrader.com. You can visit the live stream page at thebarcelonatrader.com to see our twice-daily schedule. And if you're ready for direct access, personalized coaching, and live analysis, join our Zoom room and trade with Mike and Tono in real time. Now, let's dive into the analysis. It's been a sluggish start to the Asia session, with spot gold opening at 3,365 and hovering in a microscopic range just under 3,370. Futures are tracking just above that at 3,369. The dollar is rising again, last spotted at 97.5, while 10-year yields are drifting sideways after dipping slightly earlier. We've got a slight push-pull dynamic here. The dollar is flexing, but yields aren't fully backing it up. The VIX is ticking up, now at 15.39, which usually signals unease in broader markets. But right now, it's more like the quiet fidgeting before someone flips over the monopoly board. On the news front, we've just shaken off a volatile New York session that saw gold whipsawing on U.S. jobless claims, durable goods orders, and hints that the Fed may keep rates elevated longer than expected. That lingering hawkishness is hanging over tonight's session like the smell of burnt popcorn, subtle but enough to ruin the mood. Looking ahead, Friday's key macro event is the University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment Report, scheduled for 10 a.m. Eastern. Traders will be watching for inflation expectations buried in that number. Anything sticky will strengthen the dollar and hurt gold. Anything soft could give gold a temporary floor. Market sentiment. Blue has the USD strength at plus 1.3, with gold showing weakness at negative 1.0. This isn't a steamroll, but it's enough to keep gold under pressure unless something flips that balance. The hybrid dashboard still has us in pit scalper mode, with low volatility, moderate trend strength, and the market currently labeled as trending sideways. Translation: stay sharp, because the next real move will likely be sudden and punished or rewarded accordingly. Technical picture. Let's talk about the big boy zones. Gold is stuck just below the daily mid-2, with the overnight top currently marked at 3,369. If we break above that and sustain momentum, the key resistance levels ahead are 3,373, the top of the most recent micro channel, followed by 3,380, where liquidity dried up during Thursday's New York session. And if sentiment flips entirely, 3,393, our weekly rejection zone, is the magnet. On the downside, we're eyeing 3,363 as near-term support. A break there targets 3,357, the next bounce zone. If that doesn't hold, 3,348 could become a stair-step continuation play for short sellers. Watch closely for the price reaction around the 3,365 pivot line. It's currently acting like the polite friend trying to mediate a bar fight between the dollar and the bond market. Action plan for the 10-second chart. We're on high alert for breakout and continuation plays or momentum entries near either edge of the current price box. If price consolidates around 3,365 and then breaks upward with speed and volume, look for a quick push toward the 3,373 zone. But if that same level fails and we get a clean break and retest downward, it's time to hunt short setups into 3,357 and lower. And remember, this is the Asia session. Price moves quieter but often cleaner. Don't force it. Let the setup come to you. And for the love of Horace, yes, tonight's chart is named Horace again. Exit bad trades fast. Horace doesn't believe in second chances. That's your Asia session briefing for July 24th into the 25th. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you found this analysis helpful. And hit the bell icon to be alerted whenever we publish the next one. Thanks for tuning in. GoldGPT signing off.